Why many of the longest living people on the planet love to drink honey coffee? Some things in life are basically non-negotiable, like drinking a warm cup of coffee first thing in the day. The soothing drink that gives you a much-needed zap of energy to get the day going has become a part of daily life for many people around the world, including those in Nicoya, Costa Rica, home to many of the longest living people on the planet. What is honey coffee? According to Flores, honey coffee is a term used to describe a way of processing the coffee fruit or cherry to extract the beans for roasting. This is where different processing methods come into play, including honey, natural, washed, double washed, and anaerobic. Depending on the method chosen, the mucilage will either be washed away or kept throughout processing. What are the different types of honey coffee? The type of honey coffee depends on the amount of mucilage we leave on the beans. For example, 100% of the mucilage will develop into black honey, with dark-colored beans due to the honey resulting from the fermentation of the sugars. Black honey coffee has an intense, sweet flavor with raisin and red fruit notes. The second type of honey coffee is called red honey. When we leave about 50% of the mucilage, we get red honey that releases a brownish-red color and has a well-balanced flavor that's sweet and fruity like a peach. Honey coffee is growing in popularity, according to a coffee farmer. In Costa Rica, honey-processed coffee has grown in popularity because it allows for the development of complex and special batches of beans. This is important to remember, considering it takes an estimated 170 liters of water to brew a single cup of coffee. So, if you're in the market for honey-processed coffee, one of Ditso's partners includes New York City-based roaster Bean & Bean, which carries a sweeter-than-honey bundle. It contains various honey-processed Costa Rican coffee beans, including black, orange, and red honey. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch more.